All right, you guys. So I just got a box from Wigsbuy. I think that's how you say it. It's spelled like Wigsbuy, but I think it might be Wigsbuy. Yeah, very nice presentation. So I'm just now opening this. I don't even know what this looks like. So we are going to find out together. Okay. Ooh, the secret of instant beauty. We about to find out. But you know, I've been beautiful though. You know what I'm saying? I'm just messing y'all, but I'm for real though. Now, that's my Judge Lauren Lake. You know, Judge Lake be like, see, you was out there playing games, and now I love her. She be kicking that canali. I like this color. Let me see what we got going on. We have some wig clips in here. These kind of come with a lot of different wigs. Their information brochure. We got a couple different weaving caps that I never use. Ooh, what is this? This is cute. This is a cute comb. It's called a rhinestone comb. Let me see. I need to see some rhinestones for all hair types. Are we gonna see? I don't know. I don't see rhinestones, but it's cute. I don't know. Is it supposed to be rhinestones? I don't know. Maybe this is the prototype before they put the rhinestones on there. You see what I'm saying? Maybe. I don't know. But let's get into this wig real quick, because I'm trying to see what's what, honey. Okay. Y'all, I'm loving this color. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah. This is like orange. Oh, snap. That's what the inside looks like. This is what your lace looks like. Those knots are colored. So it's going to be that orange color. There's an adjustable strap, which is good. In the wig world, my head is small, which is so weird because, oh, homie got a dome on her, but I don't know. So there are no comb attachments or anything, which is fine by me because I really don't like comb attachments. It's not the best for your size, etc. I have really fine natural hair, so I prefer no combs anyways. So I'm about to throw this bad boy on and kind of see what we're working with, see what I can do. You'll see it as is, and then you'll see what I can flex it into. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh na na na, young brother. Alright, yeah. Oh na na na, let's go. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. Yeah. Come make we go. Whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. When you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco, eh? Go loco, aye. Say I don't mind what you do, you'll always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go, yeah. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Take my hands and come with me. Baby girl, it's me and you tonight, Mogwe. I will never let you go. Never let you go so far away. Oh yeah, come and chop my money. Chop my money. Oh yeah, come and be my honey, my honey. Where you moving that body, they make me want to throw it. Oh yeah, baby, kò mọ́lẹ̀, sáré wá gbà wọlé gbà síbẹ̀. Oh yeah, baby, kò mọ́lẹ̀, sáré wá gbà wọlé gbà síbẹ̀. Oh yeah, baby, kò mọ́lẹ̀, sáré wá gbà wọlé gbà síbẹ̀. Oh na 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 moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it.